Everything you do now is for your future. Good morning, my dear students. All of you have enjoyed Diwali lot, and another festival is also waiting, Chhat Puja. So, with the festival, all of you be safe and enjoy it. Okay. So today we'll start a new lesson, that is your HTML, Advanced HTML-5. Already class 7 we have learned the basic of HTML, and today we'll learn about lists. Okay, steps to you must know, and some of you may forget. So steps to create an HTML document. All of you know, for creating an HTML document, means type the HTML codes in a notepad. So create a new notepad file, type the code, save the file using .html or .htm extension. Double click the file to view the output in the browser. You can double click, or if it is not visible, double click you cannot do. Then you right click on that file and open with any browser you select. Okay, both the options you can use. So now see, what is list? Lists are used to organize the content on a web page. It is used to group related pieces of information together so that it will be easy and convenient to read. You know that what is the use of list. You are making your students list, your book list, your copy list, or any type of list. Whenever you are going to market, also you are making a list, what do you have to purchase today. So lists are used to organize the content, and in a web page, lists are used to organize the content on a web page. Okay, it is used to group related pieces of information together so that it will be easy and convenient to read. A list is a number of related items or names written consecutively one below another. Okay, you know that HTML is a language which is used to create web pages. Okay, nowadays web page is very popular, and in this lockdown it becomes more popular because many companies are created their website for to help people online. Okay, it may be online shopping, or it may be your home delivery or whatever. So many websites developed in these periods to help people to give the services. Okay, so how to organize the content on this web page? Lists. Okay, in HTML we can create three types of list. One is your ordered list, one is your unordered list, another one is your definition list. Okay, so today about ordered lists. Ordered lists are numbered lists, are used when the set of items in a list have to be placed in a specific order. Okay, if in a specific order means 1 2 3 ABC, or Roman letters, okay, XYZ, PQRS. If any particular order you want to follow specific order, then we go for ordered list. Okay, the items in this list cannot be interchanged. Okay, so syntax, you will start the OL tag. You know that tag means a piece of command which is used to perform a particular task. Okay, so this OL stands for ordered list. Ordered list tag is used to create an ordered list. This LI stands for list items. Okay, so you can close it or you may not close it. Now there is the browser is taking, if will not close also, it is taking it. Okay, so but it is not an empty tag. Li is not an empty tag. You may close or may not close, because advanced browsers have the options to, if you will write Li, then it is no problem, it is taking it. Okay, next one is your this Li stands for list item, means the items you want to include in your list. Okay, this way you will create. Next, this suppose if you will not write anything, only OL you are writing, then it will create a number list like 1 2 3 4 like this. But if you want to create a list of your capital A, small a, or capital Roman letter, small Roman letter, and anything else, then you have to give another attribute, that is your type. Okay, so attribute means what? Attribute you must have remembered, it is the extra feature or extra feature added to the tag. Okay, so OL is used to create a ordered list, and type, what is extra in this ordered list? anything whatever you will give. Okay, so you can type 1 if you are writing, the item will be marked in numbers. If you are writing type A is equal to capital E, the items will be marked in uppercase letters. If you are writing type is equal to small a, the items will be marked in lowercase letter. Type is equal to capital I, the item will be marked in uppercase Roman numerals. Type is equal to small I, the items will be marked in lowercase Roman numerals. Okay, but if you want to give means in between, if you want to start, then another attribute you have to give, that will be start. Okay, so it is not in your book, but I will show you. Okay, so let us go and see how can we make an order list. Okay, so for that I told you we will open notepad. So we will open notepad, you open notepad. Okay, so in this notepad we will create an HTML document to create an order list. Okay, you must have remembered whenever you will start HTML, the first command will be HTML. You can write it in capital letter or in small letter, because HTML is not a case sensitive language. Okay, so next, head. This is the basic structure of HTML document and you must remember it, head. Okay, suppose my first, or you can give the heading as ordered list. It is depends upon you. Okay, what head you will give. Then inside the head always a title, because head contains your title. Okay, any title you give, and close title. Okay, then close head tag. Okay, so this is the basic structure. HTML will be every HTML document will start with an HTML tag, then your head, and head contains the title. So I have started title and then closed the title, then head will be closed. Okay, after that we'll start body. Okay, if you want we can give one BG color. BG color is used to color, to change, to give color of the background. Okay, suppose, okay, next we want to start one ordered list. Okay, so suppose if you want we can give one H2 any heading. Okay, so in your book it is given list of countries. Okay, so close H2, next order list. Okay, if we'll write LI, okay, suppose, then LI, like this, then close order list. This li tag you may close or may not close. Okay, so whenever your order list will finish, you close this order list tag, then close body tag, then close HTML tag. Okay, then file, then save. Always you save it on the desktop also if you want. Okay, suppose I have given the name as .html as the extension name. Okay, then click on save. Now minimize it and let us see the output. This is okay. Double click on this, or you can right click and open with, you can go for any browser. Okay, so let us double click and open it. Okay, so this is your see title. I have given my web page. It is a title always appears on the title bar of the web page. This is the heading given. This is your means a heading H2 head I have given. Then how many headings? 6 headings we can keep in a web page. You must have remembered H1 to H6. H1 is the highest level of heading, then H2, then H3, H4, H5, H6. H6 is the lowest level of heading. Okay, so H2 I have given list of countries and these 4 countries. So you must see now here, I have just written here OL and the output came as 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay, let us see the output. Both the things you see at a time. Here only OL, then it is showing 1 2 3 4. Okay, but here if I'll change it to, if I'll write here type, okay, type is equal to, suppose I have given here capital A, and whenever you will make any change, always you have to save it. Then go to your web page and refresh it by pressing F5 key. See, it becomes A, B, C, D. Similarly, if you want, you can, if I will change it to from capital I to Roman I. Okay, save it. Whenever you will make some change, you will save, and then the web page you will refresh. Okay, F5 key is used to refresh. So it becomes Roman letters. So this way you can change the type. You can put small a also, you can put small Roman letter also by changing the type. Suppose if you want the list to be PQRS, means sometimes say a middle of the list, or XYZ like this. So here what you have to do. Okay, so suppose I want from E I will start. Okay, from E, F, G, H the list will be. So here in type will be your capital A. Okay, then I will write here start. Okay, from the position of E, capital E, if I will take, the position of E is 5. So write here start is equal to 5. And 5 you will not put in the double quote, because 5 is a number, and there from there the counting will be started. Okay, if you will put in a double quote, then it will be a character. So start will not put in double quote, but type you will put in double quote. That is the difference. Okay, so file, then save, and now see the output. It becomes EFGH. Okay, so like this, if any middle of the means series, it is something, a list item, it will be start, then you have to give the start and the position of that value in the list. If it is a alphabet series, then position of that alphabet in the alphabet series, and if it is a number also, then it will give the start. Okay, so like this you can create an ordered list. Okay, so hope all of you understood. If you can practice it at home also, in mobile also you can practice. Okay, thank you all, have a nice day. In the next class we will come with another list. Okay, thank you all.